If you own a property in Kajang, today I'll be doing a video tutorial on how to pay for your Cukai Taksiran to the Majlis Perbandaran Kajang. So here I have with me a sample copy of the Cukai Taksiran to the MPKJ. So before we continue, I appreciate if you can like this video and subscribe to this channel below to stay tuned for more.
So what you're going to do now is go to the Kajang Municipal Council portal website, or you can search for mpkj.gov.my. And then go to under online applications here on the right, and then go to e-tax. So the next page, click on the link below to navigate to e-taxation page. So click e-taxation, and then here you can check for your taksiran. So you can check by the account number of the taksiran or by your my card. So you can find your account number in your Majlis Perbandaran Kajang Cukai Taksiran at the bottom here. Nombor account Cukai highlighted in yellow. So key in your account number for the taksiran, and then cetak and muat turun bil taksiran. So to print and download your bil taksiran. And then the next page, you still need to register for an account. So if you don't have an account, you register, or you can log in if you already have an account. So in the home page of your account, click e-taksiran here to semakan and pembayaran secara kad kredit or debit and FPX. So you see here the senarai cukai, currently there's no entry. So you click semak and tambah account. And then you have to key in again your IC number or account number. And then semak and tambah. And then you see here your maklumat taksiran, alamat, and then the cukai that you need to pay. So click the money icon to pay. And then the next page here, you see your account number and the amount you need to pay. And then below, click bayar. So then you receive your receipt after you make payment. Save the receipt. So if you find today's video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more.